look at Sophia. Ta-da! I'm selling Sophia. She loves the boxes. Hello, hello. How are you doing today? This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. I hope you're doing great. Today is the 5th day of Christmas unboxing that we have. And then we're doing this one for the 12th day. So stay tuned on that one. This one is a really good deal that we got. We got this one during Thanksgiving, Black Friday type of thing. And then this one is a gift to my goddaughter. And then we got this one from Saks Fifth. The best thing about this one is that because during the storytelling first, so that because this one is really good. Technically, we bought this one for about 75% off. Let me unbox it first before and then after that I'll tell you the story about it. But this one is, I already opened it. I opened it yesterday, as you can see on the video that we have had. But then I was like, oops, sorry, this is a different one from the other boxes that we have had. But anyways, no further ado, it is the this one is from Saks Fifth Avenue. This one is really cute. So there you go. And this one is the tote. The tote from, I'm going to open this one already. The tote from Marc JACOBS. So this one is kind of like the small one because there's 3 sizes. The small, the medium, and the large. And then this one is color blue. And then this is the famous Marc JACOBS style, the tote bag, location NYC, year 1984. So it was really nice. I'm not going to rip it off because this is gonna be a gift. And then there's the tag here, Marc JACOBS. This is really nice. Why? Because this is not for us. Like I said, that this is going to be for my goddaughter, because she's really doing a great job at school and in her leisure activity. Like, she's into volleyball lately. So yeah, 2 of them actually. So they're just gonna share. I'm so sorry. But anyways, so what had happened was we bought this one for $175 on the website at Saks Fifth Avenue. And then we were given $75 gift card. Sophia is pulling me from behind. What do you want? But anyway, $75 gift card that comes with this one. So that's already like minus $75 there, so $100. And then the platinum card, the Amex Platinum of Sebastian, is giving us $50 because we're using this one from Saks Fifth Avenue. There's a cashback of $50 on that. So technically, we bought this one only for $50. How cool is that? That's crazy, right? So now my amiga will know how cheap I am on this one. But that's really nice for this really nice tote like this one. It's so nice. And then it's so cheap too that we bought this one for less. I'm not gonna hide that one because here we are telling you the truth anyways, and then how are we going to save and stuff like that. So basically we only bought this one for $50 for a tote. I went to Cabazon outlet for the Desert Hills premium outlet there. This one is about $200, and I thought that if I go there I'm going to save money, but we didn't. So we went there, we checked it out, but I feel like we're not gonna save money because it was $200. And then Black Friday came, it was on sale, but then you have to be fast because the black one, the one that we really wanted, was gone just like that. In a snap, it was gone. So this one is the one that's left behind. And then there's another color. I don't remember if it is the green color or something like that, But yeah, that's what had happened. So, but anyways, for $50, this is what you will get, right? Or what I got, I should say. And so yeah, it's a really nice one. It's a popular one, and I hope that my goddaughters will going to like this one, because this is from the heart of Ninong. So yeah, and then yeah, Ninong Sebastian and Ninong Carlo. So I hope you like this one. And I know I blasted off in here that I'm cheap, and then it was only like $50 that I spent for this one. But there you go. So that's how you will be able to save a lot of money, right? Anyways, thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video. This is the Christmas unboxing that we are doing for the next 12 days, and I hope you support us. Like this video and comment below, and share these videos to people around your closest friends and stuff like that, to encourage them to really look for the deals. It's all about the deals, right? And then yeah, thank you very much for watching. I will see you again. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. We love you all. Happy holidays, and I hope that you are having the best time of the year, and making the most out of the leftover of the 2023. Anyway, thank you very much. Bye. We'll see you again.
Yeah.